Hi everyone, Mr. Witzke here. Hopefully you checked out my other two videos about how to create things in Piktochart. In the first two videos we focused on infographics. In this third one I'm going to show you how to create a poster. It's pretty similar but slightly different, so I thought I'd make a separate video just as an add-on in case people wanted to create posters. You can see that I'm already in my account for Piktochart right here. And I have infographics, which is what I started here. I started a Rosa Parks infographic. I also have an infographic about how to check out books during distance learning at sea. And you'll notice that they're two different sizes. You can make things of different sizes in here. You can do a presentation, but you can also create a poster. So I'm going to click on poster here. And right away you'll see that there's a lot of informational poster templates that pop up in here. Now, as I said in the other video about the infographics, is for a lot of these are going to be more work for you than actually creating one yourself, because you're going to have to go in and you're going to have to delete things, and it's probably not going to be exactly what you want. And a lot of these are really just for people that are that have businesses, or like here's one about COVID-19 that maybe would be up in a doctor's office, and these aren't really good for what we're doing. So you just go over here and you can click start from blank and it'll open up a new one for you. It just takes a few seconds, and you will notice that it's pretty much the same as an infographic. You have the same things that you can pull from. You can do the same things. You can add text. You can change your color scheme. There's tools that you can use like maps. You can put videos on there. And this just is basically a way to create a digital poster that actually is downloadable and printable. So you could download this and print this out if you needed a poster. So I'll pretend that I'm doing a poster. I'll just pretend I'm doing a Rosa Parks poster. And what I do is I just double tap in here. I can just put Rosa Parks, and I can move that up to the top. I'd kind of like it to be bigger, so I'm going to change the font and I'm going to make it like 45. I'm going to make it bold. I'm just using the tools right up here. You can do a lot of things. You can center it, underline it. You can do a lot of things. Change the font. So there, I'm going to put Rosa Parks, and I think I'll change the font too. Oh, I like that one. We'll try that one. And I'm not going to underline it. There. So now I have Rosa Parks. Make it a little bigger. Now what you can do is you can go in here and you can also choose a background, something that would be appropriate. And if you choose one of these ones that's kind of busy, and I'm going to do that just to kind of show you what it's like. I'm going to choose this one, and you'll notice this looks really busy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and I'm going to just tone it way down, like that. See? Now you've got some colors, but it's not quite as bright. And now what I can do on here is I can just create text boxes and put in pictures of Rosa Parks and some things about her life. Now I'll go down here and maybe these are some interesting text boxes down here. Some of them you might find that are really useful, some are not. Male is not going to be a good one for Rosa Parks. You know, so there's just a lot in here. You can look around in here and look at all the different things that are in here that you can use. A lot of them probably won't be relevant for you, but there might be some that are. Okay, maybe I'll use one of these little ones here. There. So I just use that. And I can put 5 lines of text in here. So I just kind of delete this. I can put, 'Rosa Parks was an important There it is. And I can add some other things about her on her. And I can keep filling up my poster until I have everything on here that I want to say about Rosa Parks. I can have pictures. I can use all the different features that we talked about in the previous videos. We might put a timeline in here about her life. That would fit perfectly on a poster. We can list all the important things that she did. We could put some different shapes and icons in here to make it look nice. We can put lines in to divide it. All the same things that we could do on the infographic, we can do on the posters. It just turns out a little differently. And even sharing is the same. When you're done, if you want, you can download a copy. You can get a PNG, and you can download it. Or you can share it, just like we talked about in the other video. We could get the link and send it to someone. So if you wanted to send it to one of your teachers, you could do that. And so that is how to start and create a poster in Piktochart. So I hope that was really helpful for everyone. Please go in and explore Piktochart, create an infographic, create a poster, and have some fun doing it. Thanks for watching.